Monetary Policy Committee met on 2nd, 3rd and 4th December. It reviewed current macroeconomic and financial developments, both domestic and global, and the evolving outlook for the Indian economy. At the end of its deliberations, the MPC voted unanimously to leave the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. It also decided to continue with the accommodative stance of monetary policy as long as necessary, at least through the current financial year and into the next year, to revive growth on a durable basis and mitigate the impact of COVID-19, while ensuring that inflation remains within the target going forward. The marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate, and the bank rate remain unchanged at 4.25%. The reverse repo rate stands unchanged at 3.35%. Real GDP growth for 2021 is projected at minus 7.5. I repeat, the real GDP growth for 2021 is projected at minus 7.5. And the breakup would be as follows. The first two quarters are already known, and for Q3 we are projecting plus 0.1%, and for Q4 we are projecting plus 0.7% in as I said, in the Q4. So in other words, the H2 is expected to show positive growth, and the projection for the H1 of next year, that is 2021, is projected at 21.9% to 6.5%. The RBI will persevere with its paramount objective of reviving the economy with some additional measures in order to enhance liquidity support to targeted sectors having linkages to other sectors, deepen financial markets, conserve capital among banks and NBFCs through regulatory initiatives, strengthen supervision through strengthening audit functions, facilitate external trade by improving ease of doing business for exporters, and upgrade payment system services so as to expand financial inclusion and improve customer service.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.